What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke, Cinnaminson. We're working on a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. And this is for one of my wholesale accounts. The convenience tray underneath the radio was busted. This is a used one they purchased for us. I'm going to show you how to get it apart. So what you want to do first is at the top where this little pad is. Alright, you want to pop that out. There's two T20 torque screws. Alright, two there. And then what you want to do is gently pop the rest of the clips off, pull it outward. Alright, so that gets that piece out of the way. Then you're down to the convenience tray area, and there is 4 7mm screws. One here, one here, one here, one here. Oh, sorry. 6, one here, and one here. So pull all those screws out, gently pull it back. You have to disconnect the climate control and all those plugs from the back. Cigarette lighter and also the USB charger. The used one came with the whole wire harness on it, which is up behind the dash. If you look close to that right there, alright, I'm going to show you. There's release tabs. Let's get in here, this flashlight. There's 2 release tabs. So that little hole that you see on that side and the other side, just take a seal pick or a paper clip, push them both in, and then you could slide this piece out here, which is your USB charger. And you can see the 2 little retaining clips instead of going behind the dash and stripping all that out. So if you have to service your radio or your climate control or the convenience tray at the bottom, that's the procedure. Like I said, not that big of a deal. Thanks for watching.